Tentara Rusia terlibat pertempuran sengit dengan Ukraina di Novomihailovka. Tribun Timur mengutip siaran resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Minggu tanggal 27 Maret. Selama pertempuran hari itu, lebih dari 30 prajurit Brigadi Mekanik ke-54 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina, 6 kendaraan lapis baja dan 2 artileri medan dari Batalion Serangan Terpisah ke-46 dihancurkan. Serangan Rusia dilanjutkan menggempur benteng beton di pemukiman Novoselovka dan Novobahmutovka. Unit pertahanan Brigadi Lintas Udara Terpisah Ukraina ke-25 menderita kerugian yang signifikan. Sebagian besar benteng dihancurkan. Pada siang hari, hingga 50 prajurit Ukraina dihancurkan, 7 titik tembak jangka panjang dan 5 target lapis baja di tempat perlindungan yang dilindungi dimusnahkan, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer menghantam 91 aset militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Di antaranya 2 pos komando, 11 depot lapangan dengan senjata dan amunisi, 2 stasiun peperangan elektronik, serta 20 benteng unit Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dan 52 area konsentrasi peralatan militer. Pertahanan udara Rusia berarti menembak jatuh helikopter Mi-24 Ukraina di atas Staraya Basan. Pada siang hari, 4 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina dihancurkan di atas Balakleya, Kiev, Chernigov. Pada siang hari, 4 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina dihancurkan di atas Balakleya, Kiev, Chernigov. 1 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina yang mendekati Sevastopol di wilayah udara di atas Laut Hitam juga hancur. Secara total, 271 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 1.627 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 167 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 669 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 1.474 unit kendaraan militer khusus Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
Units of the Russian armed forces are fighting for the capture of Novomihailovka. During the day's fighting, more than 30 servicemen of the Ukrainian armed forces of the 54th Mechanized Brigade, 6 armored vehicles and 2 field artillery mounts of the 46th Separate Assault Battalion were destroyed. The offensive continues against the well-fortified concrete fortifications in Novoselovka and Novobakhmutovka settlements. The defending units of the 25th Ukrainian Separate Airborne Brigade are suffering significant losses. Most of the fortifications have already been destroyed. During the day, up to 50 Ukrainian servicemen were destroyed, 7 learned-turn firing points and 5 armored targets in protected shelters were suppressed. Operational Tactical and Army Aviation hit 91 military assets of the Ukrainian armed forces, among them 2 command posts, 11 field depots with arms and ammunition, 2 electronic warfare stations, as well as 20 strongholds of Ukrainian armed forces units and 52 areas of military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means shot down Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter over Staraya Basan. During the day, 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed over Balakleya, Kiev, Chernigov. 1 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicle approaching Sevastopol in the airspace of the Black Sea was also destroyed. In total, 271 unmanned aerial vehicles, 1,627 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 167 multiple launch rocket systems, 669 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,474 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation. In recent days, many Russian male citizens have received fake phone calls in which an answer-back unit informs them of a call to the military commissariat. I want to emphasize, all such fake calls are made from the territory of Ukraine, are completely untrue and are a provocation by the Ukrainian special services. I officially declare that the Russian Defense Ministry does not planning to call any citizens in reserve to military commissariats.